It certainly is. Now, regular viewers of the show will know that this is normally the point of the show where we'll talk about the day's news stories. That's tough today, because there really is only one news story in America today. I'm sure you've heard about the leaked Supreme Court opinion that would overturn Roe v. Wade. I think every single one of us was gobsmacked and shocked when we read this. Now, you may have worked out by now, I'm not from this country. But in the UK, where I grew up, abortion has been safe and legal for many, many years. We have a healthcare system that takes care of women and their children for free. But here, today in America, in the year 2022, 5 judges who, according to polls on this subject, don't seem to reflect the feeling of this nation, are about to rule away the reproductive rights of over 50% of the population. And it's mystifying, it's baffling. You know, for the past 2 years, we've seen people crying out for medical autonomy, you know, from pushback on like mask mandates to anti-vaccination protests. And yet, now some of the most vocal opponents of government interference in medical care are supporting a decision that says your body, my choice. And make no mistake, this is the biggest rollback of human rights in modern US history. And we know what a reversal of reproductive rights looks like because your parents and grandparents, they lived it already. When abortion is illegal, it doesn't stop abortions, it still happens. It just has incredibly devastating consequences for mothers and their families. And of course, the most devastating consequences so often fall on communities of colour and the economically disadvantaged. In the leaked document, the court claims it wants to return the right to regulate abortion to state governments, meaning in many places the decision would very much be taken away from the individuals most affected, women making hard and difficult choices about their own bodies based on circumstances that are frankly none of our business. It's nothing to do with us. This news is stunning and sad, and it's terrifying in its future implications for basic rights that we all thought were guaranteed. Me and everyone here at the Late Late Show stand in solidarity with women today and every day. And I hope so much the people who make the decisions in this country will think long and hard before they let this devastating overthrow of human rights stand. We'll be right back after.